Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the top 3 ways to make $100 as a broke individual. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So the top 3 ways to make $100 as a broke individual. So you have no money and you want to start to actually make money online. So the very first thing is Instagram growth, because not many people talk about this, but you can actually make quite a bit of money growing in Instagram. So if you have an Instagram account, there are a ton of ways to actually grow your account. So you just have to do your research on that, but growing an Instagram account is not that hard if you want to get to $100,000. You know, you pick a niche that's where there's a ton of people that are interested, for example, traveling, and you post all the time. You have to do this manually. There's not much you can do else from that. It's not passive income, but just posting like 3 or 5 videos every single day of something that's going viral, and there are tons of ways to grow it. So if you're interested in that, I could make a video of Instagram growth, but there are a ton of videos to actually like get you going and make some actual money, because once you start hitting 10,000 subscribers, 50,000, and it's a lot easier than growing like a YouTube channel to 50,000 subscribers. It's very easy to get to 100,000 or even more subscribers on Instagram. So once you get to that, it's very easy to get that swipe up and then just start selling things, whether it's helping people to travel, if you're in the travel niche, you know, selling them tickets. It doesn't matter, you get your idea, and people will pay you because you have become an influencer. So people will pay you to post something for whatever they're trying to sell. And you can make a Shopify store as well, which will cost you a bit of money, but you can make a Shopify store and just link those two together. So if you're in the travel niche, then you make a Shopify store on traveling and you send people over there. So that's one way to do it. Instagram growth, that is very easy to do. So once you learn that, another thing that you can do is SMMA. So that's social media marketing agency. And it does sound very fancy. It sounds like you need 100 employees, that you need a ton of money to start, but actually this couldn't be further from the truth, because you need absolutely no employees to do this. SMMA is something where a lot of people who had no money started with this. So for example, if you're trying to grow an Instagram account, like if you know how to do this, if you know how to build a big YouTube channel, if you know how to build, you know, Facebook ads or anything like that, anything that's linked to social media that you know how to do, or you know how to run ads, then you can build that and do that for clients. And clients will pay you quite a lot of money to do this. And I'm not going to throw any prices out there because I could be completely wrong, because I haven't done this personally. So just like keep that in mind. But SMMA is something that you can really make money really fast, because all you need is one client and you can pretty much make a living. Like if you have 3 clients, you can absolutely make a living, that's for sure. So you have to look up, like so many people are doing this on YouTube and stuff, so you just have to look up them. But SMMA, if you don't have any money to start, this is a great way to actually get started. And you can make quite a bit of money. Now, if you want to scale this to the moon, you are going to have some employees, but by that time you will be making quite a bit of money. So you just have to keep that in mind, that this is hard labor. It's like Instagram growth. You actually have to put in the work all the time, and you're getting paid only if you're working. which leads me to my third thing, because affiliate marketing is the third one, and that's what I'm doing, that's what I do all the time. And this is very good because this is passive income once you get it running. And a lot of people, when they hear passive income, they're like, great, I'm going to sit on the beach the first day and just watch money come in. However, it does not work like that. Passive income, you have to put in some work beforehand. So affiliate marketing, how this works, it can go in different ways. But if you have some money and you know how to run ads, there you go, you can do that. You can run ads to something, to an offer, and you can make money. If you're doing this and you have no money, then you will probably have to use some sort of social media, whether it's a blog, which you do have to pay for, or a YouTube channel, which you don't have to pay for. So the YouTube channel is by far the best, but some people don't like to put themselves in front of the camera. They don't want to create a YouTube channel, but this is the best way to do it. So if you're one of these people, you can either like get over the fear and just start doing it, or you can start creating a blog, which will cost you a bit of money and will be a bit harder. The other thing that you can do is create animated videos, so you don't even have to show your face, especially if you're creating tech reviews. Which leads me to how you're going to make some money, because if you do this, making money is going to be very simple. You're just going to put the links in the description of what you're reviewing. You can do product against another product as well, which works very well, and you put both of these links in the description. So this is kind of like, in a nutshell, the best 3 ways that you can actually make money if you're broke. But like, I've got a ton of other videos that show exactly how to do affiliate marketing, like for free, like really getting started and then like going to over $100,000 a month. I made a video about this not long ago, so if you're interested, you can check these out, because I just kind of flew over these because I just wanted to make a short video to give you an idea of what you can do with like very little money, if that. Like most of these you can do for absolutely free. So that was kind of the insight for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.